My name is Crystal Wagner, and I am a multidisciplinary artist. My work is a hybrid between manufactured and organic forms and materials. With it, I'm exploring the dialogue between architecture and nature. Belcastel is uniquely beautiful. The village itself is situated right below the castle. So what I wanted to do in coming here was to bring something to the facade of the castle that was a celebration of that meticulous, beautiful, delicate, the beauty that already inherently was woven into the entire environment here. My canvas is space. My canvas and substrate is the architectural building that I'm given. It is the place and location. For me, I'm really intrigued by the way that human beings have created a disconnect between themselves and the natural landscape. So when I'm creating immersive experiences, whether they're inside or they're outside, I am working to establish a conversation between those organic forms and the modern topology. I love the idea that architecture is monumental in scale. It reminds us of the scope of a mountain. It reminds us of the dynamic relationship between the scale of ourselves and something else. And maybe it just takes looking up at the castle and seeing that dynamic relationship between organic growth and architecture to trigger something in someone's mind that reminds them that, we are a part of a living, growing world despite our manufactured materials. There's this really wonderful word, lithotropes, and that's what I call the exterior pieces, because a lithotrope is an organism that pulls its life from something that's inanimate, a rock or something, and it breaks it down, and in that way what you end up with is this new growth that's living off of something old. The installation on the facade of the castle, while they are delicate, beautiful explorations of what our imagination can do with natural forms and structures, they're also a reminder to people of the glorious and splendid world that lives outside of our cultivated landscapes.